Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and simple egg stew. Let's get started. So today I'm going to use a sausage, chopped tomatoes, mackerel, onions and eggs. So first we heat a pan and add oil. Then I add some rosemary and onion to give it some flavor. You go ahead and add your chopped tomatoes. You can use the normal tomato, that's fine. You go ahead and stir. Then we add our pepper mix. It's blended onions, peppers, sprinkled onions and ginger. After a good stir, you go ahead and add our sausage. I'm gonna add some curry powder and oregano to this stew. To give it an extra flavor, I added some tuna flakes and mackerel to it. With this egg stew, I'm going to add mackerel to this one. So I just cut it into pieces and I added it to the egg stock. So I'm gonna pour eggs gently into the stew. I'm going to create some holes into the stew. Makes the eggs sink down below the pan. You cover it and you let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you turn the eggs gently as you stir the stew. You can also add fresh chopped onions and bell peppers at the end for extra aroma and texture. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to two special people, Tamara and Sewa Sophia, for always engaging on my posts and commenting. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Hey fam, our egg sauce is ready. Look how delicious this looks. I'm gonna pair this with yam later. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn your notification bell so you don't miss any of my delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and I always remember that I truly appreciate and love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.